Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to Thursday. We're in week 4, and today is day 4. We're in our final 2 days of looking at how partners or how organisms work together to survive. And today, our focus is on vocabulary. Okay, you'll see a list of vocabulary words here, and I put those right in Schoology. Okay, it's a document. It's called your assignment. Okay, all it does is list those words out for you so you can practice reading them. But then we're going to put those into your mentor text. So if you remember your book with the fish on it, we're going to flip that book to page 30, and you're going to use the sheet that looks like this, making meaning with words. Okay, you're going to determine the definition and write a sentence using this document. So right here's the word. You're going to write the word. You're going to write your definition. All right, remember, this can be the definition that you know. It can be the definition that you come up with after talking with someone, or it can be the definition that you use from the dictionary. And then you're going to use a word in a sentence. All right, when you come back to school, you're going to have this whole book ready to turn in. So please don't think that you don't have to do this because you're not turning it in right now. It does take a lot of responsibility to do each step each day, and just know that you'll have time to show that work when we come back to school in November. And we are excited to see the things that you've been working on. Okay, but not only will you be able to share with us, but you're working hard at becoming a better reader, which in the end is really the goal. We want you to be a confident reader, be able to use your reading in 6th grade to learn other cool subject areas. All right, so this is your focus for today. Please reach out if you have any questions.